What's going on, you guys? This is Arnold, filling in for my buddy Tom with Tiger's Eye TV. He was out trying to make videos today for you people to kind of show you what it's like in his neck of the woods. And they got some footage today down for spring break, they call it here, in the channel in Lake Havasu. Let me let you see what that's like, okay? All ready to go. Made some good food. Good old breakfast. And then we were running our dry washer. We got that thing working, and we were making some progress. Found a cool little honey hole out in the desert. But, you know, away she goes anyway. So today, I figured we'd show you what spring break in Havasu is like. They're scared.
Huh? Oh, you
No,
No, I don't know that. Hold the bike. Hold the bike.
That is so cute.
Yeah. Free pancakes. Oh my goodness. Water. Oh no, I'm okay. Thank you.
Come on, one shot. There you go.
What did they have? Redemption?
Oh, camera guy. How you doing?
He told me straight up that.
If they do, they can't get to them here.
Yep.
Come out here at night with a ladder.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. very busy down here today.
Get the cup first, get the cup, and fill the cup up, and use the other spatula and pat it down.
How you doing? Yeah, I've had the Ortega burger before.
Well, I suppose. Better leave a tip. I don't want to get everyone off.
That's true, we can get kind of grouchy around here.
Haven't got your food yet either.
No, that's no good. I want to.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yep.
What can I get for you?
I want to get a half pound of shrimp
Okay.
and 6 wings,
Okay, what flavor?
garlic parmesan,
Okay.
and then a drink, just a Coke.
Okay. Is this together or separate?
Separate, I guess.
Paying separate but eating together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put you on the same bill.
What size Coke am I gonna get?
Regular unless you ask for large.
What are you doing? Hungry?
Good?
Matthew.
What are you doing? Hungry?
What the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so hungry.
What happened? People that dress their dog up. You're hot. Oh yeah, put that in your mouth, babe. Oh fuck, I can't wait to go home. They just turned me on a little bit. It's so funny, dude. They're trying to shake Trump and kill the There's 3. You probably send those down there.
Yeah, so there you have it. It wasn't very crowded today, but I know it's not a gold prospecting video. I'm still working on that one. But I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I know I did. Alright. That concludes this tour of Lake Havasu for spring break. Alright, and there you have it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember to keep pumping up and tune in again to Tiger's Eye TV. Alright, auf Wiedersehen.